Hello everyone. So today in this video I will discuss you that how you can fix this error establishing a database connection and how to optimize your WordPress database. So in some cases, if you fixed the issue with the username and password and the host name and the database server like localhost or any other IP, so but still it is not working on some of WordPress websites, so in that case you need to optimize your WordPress database. So in my previous video I discussed that how you can enter correct db name, db username and db password by going to your wp-config file. If you haven't watched this video, then I will put a link in the description box and you can configure your correct details. So but still if your website is not working, then you just need to enter this code. I will put this code in the description box, and you can just paste it here in the wp-config.php file like this, and then you can save changes. So you have to enter this code in the wp-config.php file and then add your link like hr-web.xyz and then later wp-admin/main-t/repair.php. So I will also give this URL in the description box. You can just change your domain name, and here you will give two options: repair database and repair and optimize database. So I just select repair and optimize database, so it repairs my complete database and optimize it for maximum performance. So you can see all are already optimized and some of them are optimized. So here one suggestion that repair complete, please remove this tag to prevent the page from being used by unauthorized users. So now after this we can check that our website is now working fine. Like this website is now working, which was previously showing error database connection. So in this way you can optimize your WordPress database. And now I remove just this only code and now save this page. So if you have any questions, then you can just drop me in the comment box and subscribe to my channel for daily WordPress tutorials and SEO tutorials. Thank you.